So challenge number 13 is a QR code, and it's got a PSU logo embedded in it. And it turns out when you carve out stuff inside of a QR code, it loses some of its redundancy, so it makes this QR code much harder to scan. But hopefully you're able to twiddle with your barcode scanner to get this URL out of it, which I will show. So this is the URL that you get when you scan that QR code, cyberd.org and ctf.org/static/closer.jpg, which is what we'll now go to. So /static/closer.jpg. And it's another barcode. And so we need to now scan this barcode. And so with this barcode, you have to get it out of this this window a little bit because it's hard to tell where the barcode starts and ends. So that's what I've done up here. I copied and pasted this barcode into the document and then scanned it. And when you scan it, you get this. It says, "Take a closer look." So, so that doesn't give you much, but we've seen before that a lot of messages can be hidden in these images, so maybe it's asking us to take a closer look at this particular image. So let's see if anything comes up in the metadata. So we'll copy the URL, and just like in the other steganography level, we'll go into this EXIF image metadata tool that we can then copy our URL into, and then we'll have to say "I'm not a robot." And we'll go from there. So we'll view the image data, and if we look, the image data says that the artist of this image is ASCII, and the description is are these numbers, the hexadecimal numbers, it appears, and so you can guess that these are hex-encoded ASCII characters. So let's copy these and bring them over and start to decode them. So I've copied the description over into this document on the left, and then I'm going to pull up the ASCII table, which I have here. I'm going to scroll over to where the characters are because this is more than likely going to be in plain text. And then I'll start filling in these characters. So hex 74 is the T, hex 68 is the H, 65 is the E, and so on. It looks like this is going to start the same string of words that the rest of the challenges have, so let me finish this off. And when you finally decode it, you get the key for number 13 is first catch.